Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Monzo card using the Monzo app step by step, so you can start using your card right away. First, open the Monzo app on your phone and log in if you haven't already. Once you're on the home screen, you should see your new card listed under Cards. Tap on the card you want to activate. Next, look for the Activate Card button and tap it. The app will ask you to confirm some details, like the last 4 digits of your card and your security information. Follow the prompts carefully. After confirming, the app may ask you to hold your card close to your phone's NFC sensor or to complete a small verification transaction. This step ensures your card is linked to your account and ready to use securely. Once the activation is complete, your Monzo card is ready for in-store purchases, online shopping, and ATM withdrawals. You can also set your PIN, enable contactless payments, or freeze your card from the app anytime. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Monzo tips and banking tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.